Okay, my friends, today we are on our way to a job to do a 648 Pro lower evaporator. Now, I was here yesterday. There was another company that was here prior to me that put a line tap valve on the suction line, and because it had a refrigerant leak. And what they did was they changed the upper evaporator coil, and thinking that that's where the leak was, and they never took the lower coil out to check it. So I went there yesterday with both evaporators just in case, and when I took the lower evaporator coil out, I felt oil film on the coil itself, so it was leaking at the blast joint. So I changed the coil and did all the proper things. I took off the line tap valve and put process ports on there, evacuated the system, weighed the gas in. But the customer called me back last night. She said the lower section wasn't cooling, and I immediately knew what the problem was because I probably soldered the capillary tube shut. Very easy to do. So because I didn't cut the cap tube, I just unsoldered it and put it into the new evaporator, and I think that's where I made my mistake. So we're going back there today to resolder the capillary line into the evaporator coil. So I'll see you when we get there. I can hear the freon metering through. That's a good sign. Okay, temperature's dropping.